Oh yes, so Vedanta nosedived in trade today after newspaper reports suggested that Vedanta has invited bids as expression of interest for its copper smelter facility that is located at Tamil Nadu. Bids have been called in conjunction with Axis Capital, and last day to apply or submit expression of interest is the 4th of July. As far as the plant is concerned, Vedanta has pegged plant capacity to stand at 4 lakh tons a year in the advertisement. The sale offer also includes plant units, including oxygen generation facility as well as residential homes. The plant, remember, has been closed since May 2018 after the death of a protester in a police firing. As far as EBITDA loss is concerned, the company generated EBITDA loss of, or rather the copper plant generated EBITDA loss of around 1.2 billion rupees in the March 2022 quarter, and it does not hold any significant weightage in Vedanta's portfolio as of now. In fact, we did speak to a couple of analysts, and they suggested that since the case is sub judice, there is no certainty as to when the plant will reopen, and hence analysts are not sure about how many takers will actually bid for this particular plant. Now remember, during the day the company also issued a clarification where company spokesperson said that this particular plant has been catering to around 40% of our national demand of copper. This plant played an integral role towards India's self-sufficiency of copper, and they are exploring options to best utilize this particular plant for nation's growing demand. In fact, another reason why Vedanta was falling was also because of the fall in commodity prices that we saw globally. Aluminium prices, in fact, over the last 7 days are down 8%, zinc is down 6%, lead fell nearly 3%, copper prices are down 5%, and Brent crude has also slipped nearly 7.3% in the last 7 days. So the fact that the company has invited expression of interest bids for this particular smelter plant located at Tamil Nadu, and also because commodity prices were declining in trade, are some of the reasons why Vedanta was down and about in trade today.